Aujourd'hui, réussir la transition énergétique dans la Caraïbe, c'est faire en sorte que les territoires insulaires...
A successful energy transition in the Caribbean today is to have the different territories become independent from fossil fuels, to be able to create their own energy and be part of the climate mitigation.
Et aussi participe à l'atténuation du climat.
It's vital that Caribbeans share their experiences, put together strategies, project themselves together in the future so that despite the diversity, all the choices will be for a brighter, sustainable future for the 40 million Caribbean people.
Donc très concrètement, c'est agir sur des projets exceptionnels tels que la valorisation.
In practice, we should focus on geothermal energy, ocean thermal energy, OTE, biomass development between Brazil and the Lesser Antilles. Sharing expertise on those projects should allow us to optimize investment and make sure that not only industrials but also politicians from all the territories are decision makers so that those projects are going to come true in the best conditions and for the well-being of all.
I believe that this conference offers Caribbean member states a very splendid opportunity to present their respective programs in renewable energy development. And from our standpoint in Dominica, we have taken as a government and as a people some tangible steps to promote geothermal energy in Dominica. We're doing that to embark on a small plant, a 50 megawatt power plant, to basically provide the local people of Dominica an opportunity to benefit from that resource by having a cheaper, cleaner, and greener energy source in geothermal. And as we have said before, we're going to continue working with Guadeloupe and Martinique, and by building a bigger plant, and to sell excess to Martinique and Guadeloupe, because you're our friends, and we want to recommend the government of France and the regional councils of Guadeloupe and Martinique for helping us to get to the point we're now at in our development.
Other countries from the Caribbean are also interested in geothermal energy, and this conference allowed them to discuss about it.
As regards energy, we have to share our experiences. This is a vital subject for our civilization, for our countries, for living and production. Dominica is doing geothermal, for instance, so is Nevis and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. We are insufficiently sharing our experiences, and it is very important to share those experiences at this conference. And there are other areas of renewables and energy efficiency, vital subjects for well-being. Martinique has been part of the Caribbean civilization, can enjoy its Caribbeanness, and to do so in very practical terms, so that we can move from, to use the language of Edward Glissant, a famous Martinican intellectual, from a shared feeling to one of conscious expression. And I want to see that conscious expression, and Serge Letchimy wants to see that conscious expression manifested in a juridical framework, an agreement which has a clear basis for us to move forward in practical ways.
A public-private company has just been created to develop renewable energy in Martinique, such biomass, wind, solar, geothermal and ocean thermal energy.
Nous sommes aujourd'hui à la conférence pour la transition énergétique de la Caraïbe.
The objectives of the conference are very clear. Bring to discussion the several territories of the Caribbean and the different institutions such as OECS, CARICOM, the European Union, the United Nations about the strategy to adopt for sustainable development. We are pretty much on the same ground on each island. Almost 100% fossil fuel energy, mainly for transportation and electricity. Our main goal is to switch to renewable energy.
Whatever the political, institutional apparatuses or systems which govern the various components of our civilization, we are all part of this very unique country, unique region, and we have to develop our links with one another.